Hello, guys. I'm back. Uh, I just ran into something super awesome. I just shot a video and I don't know what happened, but it stopped fairly, fairly, uh, fairly quickly after I actually started. So I've lost an entire video. So we're gonna go with this one instead. Okay, so this is the board that I did the trace repair for that I'm gonna put a new connector on. But I discovered that the switch that I have, this piece is busted on the main board side, this connector, and I don't have another one. I've ordered some, but I'd really, really like to get that one switch running. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do I'm going to take this off this board and then reuse it on the main board of the other area that I need it. So I'm going to throw that back on there. And I got to be careful with this board because it's pretty wussy. Okay, so I'm just going to do some hot air in the back here and try and pull this connector off. Maybe I might do it. How can I do this here? Let's reposition this. Let's go like this instead. Okay, and then I can just hot air from underneath here. So I think I'm going to go with the microscope just so I can see what's going on. Okay, so we need this guy. So yeah, I'm actually, while I got this here, I can actually see how this thing is supposed to go. Because honestly, guys, I've never had a more pain in the ass connector in my life other than this one. Oh yeah, okay. So you've actually got plastic that wraps around here. You can see it in there. That's missing off that other one. So anyway, let's get this off of here. Just gonna tilt it like that, and see if I can get it without flux. I put my big tip on there the last job, which you guys don't get to watch because, you know, my awesome recording skills. And as soon as it gets hot enough, I will pull that right off the board because this is going to get transplanted onto the main board. So I'm going to have to do this again on the other board. Okay. Off it comes. Just going to grab that, set that aside. Just having a look at this. So I've got, so the connector I need is this one. That's the broken one. And yeah, got the BQ chip under it. So then I need that guy. So, yeah. So, I just lost a little bit of audio there. Sorry, guys. Okay, I'm back here. So, we're just getting going here anyway. So, let's see. I don't know why this camera is having such issues today. It's all this junk I have out. I don't know. It's definitely not focusing very good. Okay, so I've got 2 screws in there, 1 gold screw in there just holding things in. You want another gold screw for the speaker. Like so. Okay. Thing's trying to go rogue on me here. Don't let it. I don't want to mess with that side again. Okay, so I think what I can do now is start getting the cables in. I'll just start with the gamepad, the analog stick. Mm-hmm. Okay, that's down. Good. Perfect. Wonderful. Loving it. Next, go for the big guy here. Make sure your locks are up. Oh, that can happen. As soon as you pull it back, it wants to flip down. I always find this one is a bit challenging because it wants to do its own thing. There we go. Looks like I got it though. Perfect. You just want to make sure these are kind of the edges. There's little tabbies here. You want to make sure they're tight against the frame. And then you can flip your lock down. This one. Okay. This one's similar. You can tell when this one's in because all the copper pretty much disappears. But I do like to just use my tweezers on the edges and just give them a little bit of a push, and then you can be done with that one. Like I said, I really hope this is the last time I need to take this one apart, because this has been a lot of messing around. Like, this is the one that the seller told me that one of the screens didn't work and the other one had an unknown issue. I bought two at the same time, and I figured, you know, just based off the description, it wasn't going to be too much of a big deal. Well, yeah, somebody was already in there melting things and wrecking the board and doing all sorts of things. So this has turned into way more of a project than I was anticipating. It's the problem when you buy stuff off of anywhere, really. You really got to watch the descriptions people use, because the real McCoy, don't settle for less. Don't need much. That's way too much, but hey, whatever. A little bit extra never hurt. Okay. The thing power on. Oh yeah. All right, that should be it. There we go. So let's hit the power button. Pass. Comes alive. Awesome. Okay, let's see. It's on my switch OLED. That in there. Dude. Yes. Registration complete. There we go. This is when I first noticed the problem because I couldn't adjust the volume. As you can see, the volume works. Both. Perfect. Awesome. Whoops. Not that one. Okay. So there we go. This is 100% working. Finally. Thanks for joining me, guys. That's it for this one. And when I get all the bits and pieces back combobulated for this guy, we'll do a round 2. Thanks for joining me, and see you on the next one. Peace.